Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 64, chapter number 11, Measurement. Dear students, here we will solve some examples related to measurement. Now, here we will solve some examples related to measurement. And dear student, if you solve some examples or questions related to measurement, so first you will make reference chart. The reference chart start from prefix kilo, then hecto, deca, then standard unit, deci, centi and milli. And here, and students, if we move from right to left, so each place multiply by 10. And if we move backward to forward, means lower to higher, so each place divide by 10. And this chart help us to convert units to other units. Like the first question, express the following as directed. Example number A, 1/2 kiloliter convert into liter. First we check how many liters in 1 kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter equal to, kiloliter is here and it's shift to the 3 places to right hand side and higher to lower. So 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. After that multiply 1/2 kiloliter by 1000 liter. 1000 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10, 500 liter. So half kiloliter equal to 500 liters. Now example number B, 1/50 gram in centigram. Here we convert 1/50 gram in centigram. So first we check how many centigram in 1 gram. So 1 gram equal to 100 centigram. Gram is here in standard unit and it's moved to 2 places to right hand side. So multiply by 10 into 10 means 100. 100 centigram. After that we multiply 1/50 by 100 centigram. 0 cancel out by 0 and 5 2s are 10. Here we get 2 centigram. So 1/50 gram in centigram equal to 2 centigram. Now example number C, 3/4 hectometer in centimeter. So how many centimeter in 1 hectometer? So 1 hectometer equal to, hectometer is here and it's moved to right hand side, higher to lower units, 1 2 3 4 means 10,000. centimeter. 1 hectometer equal to 10,000 centimeter. Now we multiply 3 upon 4 hectometer by 10,000 centimeter. Here 10,000 divisible by 4, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 fives are 20. 3 multiplied by 2500 centimeter. Now here we use sort method of multiplication. First we multiply these both numbers 25 and 3. After that we put 2 zeros. 3 fives are 15, 5, 1 carry, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7, 0 0 centimeter. So 7500 centimeter. 3 upon 4 hectometer in centimeter equal to 7500 centimeters. Here example number D. 4 upon 25 decaliter in milliliter. 1 decaliter equal to 10,000 milliliter. Decaliter is here and it's moved 4 places to right hand side, higher to lower units. Now we multiply 4 upon 25 by 10,000 milliliters. 25 divide 10,000 in 400 times. 25 fours are 100. Now we put 2 zeros. Now we multiply 4 into 400 milliliters. We get 4 fours are 16. Now we put these 2 zeros here. Milliliters. 1600 milliliter. So when we convert 4 upon 25 decaliter in milliliter, we get 1600 milliliters. Now the next example, which is greater, 57 hectometer or 50 kilometer? So here one measure in hectometer and one in kilometer. First we convert one measure and make it same. So here we convert 57 hectometer in kilometer. So here we convert 57 hectometer in kilometer. So here first we find how many kilometers in 1 hectometer. So 1 hectometer equal to, it's move lower to higher units. So 1 hectometer equal to 1 upon 10 kilometer. Now 57 divided by 10. When we divide 57 by 10, so decimal place is here and denominator having 1 0. So it's moved to left hand side one's place. So we get 5.7 kilometer. Now we compare 5.7 kilometer or 50 kilometer. So here 5.7 kilometer is smaller as compared to 50 kilometer. So 5.7 kilometer is smaller as compared to 50 kilometer. Now the next example, Ravi bought 1 upon 10 liter of juice and he used 3 upon 4 of it in 2 times a day. Means he used 3 upon 4 of it in 1 day, in 2 times. How many milliliter of juice is left? So here the total quantity of juice equal to 1 upon 10 liter. So here we find our answer in milliliter. So we convert 1 upon 10 liter into milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So here we multiply 1 upon 10 by 1000 milliliters. So 1 0 cancel out by 1 0. So here we get 100 milliliter. So the total quantity of juice is 100 milliliter. Now we find 3 upon 4 of 100 milliliter. So he used 3 upon 4 of 100 milliliter. So 100 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 fives are 20 and 25 threes are 75 milliliter. So the total quantity of juice is 100 milliliter and he used 75 milliliter. And here we find how many milliliter of juice is left. So left juice equal to total juice minus used juice. So 100 milliliter minus 75 milliliter. So here the left juice equal to 25 milliliter. So here we write 25 milliliter of juice is left. Now the next example, Ria has 3 upon 5 kilogram of candies. She packed all candies equally into 10 small packets. How many gram of candies were there in each packet? So the total candies equal to 3 upon 5 kilogram. And here we find our answer in gram. So here we convert 3 upon 5 kilogram into gram. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So here we multiply 3 upon 5 by 1000 gram. Now 5 divide 1000 in 200 times and here we get 3 multiply by 200 gram. So here we get 3 to the 600 gram. So the total candy is equal to 600 in grams. Now 600 candies equally packed into 10 packets. So here we divide 600 gram of candies divided into 10 packets. So when we divide 600 gram upon 10, so here 0 cancel out by 0, so we get 60 gram candies. Here we write each packet contain 60 gram of candies. Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to above discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you students.